So let's say when you don't have some time to read that particular web page, or else if you bookmark that page, or else if you
It will
bookmark that
directly open.
site,
Yeah.
it will you can open whenever you want that particular website or particular post or particular blog. So here the social bookmarking means, that was there. Please, could you please mute, right? Okay, so social bookmarking means you are trying to bookmark your website content, or else trying to bookmark your website URL in social bookmarking websites, so that people can view your content and people can redirect to your website if your content, or else if your description and title is very good, they can redirect to your website. So this is what simply bookmarking our site in a social media websites. Okay, now let us see how we can do this social bookmarking. So tell me, what is the submission type?
Social bookmarking.
Social bookmarking submissions. Okay, so here again, top 200 plus high DA social bookmarking sites list. Right. So again, you can go through these content once again. What is social bookmarking? Importance of having this social bookmarking. So whatever the optimization, or else whatever the technique you follow, so you will be getting some traffic. You will be getting some backlinks from those process. Am I right? So you can just follow the steps to be done. So next here the lists, social bookmarking site list. Okay, so Pinterest, Fox, Slashdot, Bipsonomy.org. So many websites. So you can just go there and bookmark your site. Okay, now let me just go with the one of the website.
Ma'am,
Pinterest we
how you
already
found out all this, ma'am? Like 200 place, 300 place. Even yesterday I have reached out.
researching,
Okay.
researching.
So you
I have
researched
researched.
all this?
Mm.
Wow.
So I researched and I have listed out few websites.
There are many options, ma'am. Means we have to sort out all of them.
Mm. So many, there are many blogs who wrote,
Yeah.
who listed out few websites like this also. You just
Mhm.
go through each and every blogs and research and try to put whatever the content you want in your blog. That's it.
Mhm.
Here I been to a website called slash.org. So here I can see different categories like devices, build, entertainment, technology, open source. So you just need to select the website. Okay, first of all you need to sign in. Okay, I have
Mhm.
already account in these slash.org. So you just need to submit here. Okay, let me just try to submit. Can you see? Submit a story to
Okay.
slash dot. Okay, so here I need to write a title. So again, what is mean by title? The relevant keyword, the primary keyword of your website, or else primary keyword of your blog. Okay. Okay, so here put the main body of your story submission here, reader submissions or what makes slash dot work. Please try to use your own words. If you are quoting another source, make that clear, include URLs as appropriate and try to include original source. So here it is asking us to have a body of this. You have to write some description about this story. Okay. Mm.
Our website.
Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to give a what I have to do. Do I need to give a link or not?
Yes, ma'am. We have to.
Okay, now tell me, guys, do we have any option of giving a link here?
Yes. Ron.
URL.
Tell me how. Where is URL?
Our page.
So here directly I have to give the URL, right? When someone click on this clickable text, this on page SEO full guide 2020, they have to redirect. So why? Because I'm concentrating on the keyword as well, for which keyword the people are redirecting to your website.
Okay.
Got it? So now for this keyword, I have to give a link.
Yeah.
What I have to do? So here, do we have any option like giving a link?
No.
Oh,
Then what do we have to do, Balu?
Ron is the URL. You have to
See here, when you don't have any kind of giving a link option, so you have to write this tag. Okay,
href. Yes.
that's what I asked you. Ahref equals to
Uh,
inverted commas your website URL, for
yes.
which
Yes, ma'am.
okay, let me.
It will become link, ma'am, if you
It will
write like
become
that.
a
Yes.
clickable
Yes.
text. Yes.
Okay.
So if you don't have any link, clickable link option to give, so at that time you can depend on that. Okay, so I'll copy this complete URL. Just go back and paste it here and inverted commas, close it. Next, the keyword, for which keyword you want to make it as a clickable text, and then
And close it.
close it. Right, so now which will become a clickable text now?
On
On
page
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 SEO.
SEO
SEO.
full guide
Correct.
2020.
2020. So when someone click this, they will be redirected to
Our
this
page.
URL. Okay,
So,
so here
ma'am,
it
this will
is.
be visible on that
No.
Yes,
body
yes, that
also?
this complete tag won't be visible. So like a
Okay.
clickable text, it will be
Okay.
visible.
It will be like that only. Okay.
So you can just enter the URL of your website. Okay, and then preview. So if you want to see the preview of this story, you can just review it. Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you see this is a clickable text?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll try to click it. Where I'm redirecting.
Mhm.
G course.
Ma'am, can you tell us once again that
Write down
open a
href equals to inverted commas your website URL
URL?
inverted
Keyword.
commas and close it and keyword close. This is the
Okay.
HTML tag you need to give. Okay, then fine. So everything fine, right? So this is how best ways to do on page SEO, and this is complete content I have link to original source. Then prove yourself. What is this? Zero or ing?
That is looking like PORING something. Yeah.
PORING. Okay, submit. Submit a story to Slack. Your submission is here. Best ways to. So done. So I have submitted my story. What happened next? The editors will review your submission. So what happens again? So the editor of this slash dot will review your content. So we'll find out whether it is a copied content or else you are doing something else spammy. So he will find out if it looks like a original and genuine only, he will accept your content. Otherwise, no. Okay, but please remember, we only post a few to the front page. You will get an email if it makes a big time. Want to increase the odds of making it? Share the link with your friends and tell them to vote up the submission. Okay, so if you want to have a more views for this blog, just share this content in a social media, or else you can share to WhatsApp or else anything. So if you get a more views, what happens? Your story will be on top of the homepage. Simply getting my point.
Okay. Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can share it and you will be getting a votes also. Have you ever used Reddit? How many of you use here Reddit?
I heard, I guess. I don't know where I
Reddit,
used.
it is a very good social media platform after Facebook, Instagram, and then Twitter kinds of top social media platforms. Reddit is one of the best social media platform. Use it. Okay.
Ma'am,
So and it
what
is
is the exact concept of Reddit means? What
so same like a social media platform only. Like it is also work as a off-page optimization technique. So
Okay.
now here I can see for doing social bookmarking, I can use a Reddit as well. Just
Okay.
open the Reddit account and then give the website URL and write some same like how you will be posting something in the Facebook or Twitter. So
Right,
you will be writing the content and you will be sharing, right? The same way you have to do it. Okay.
Okay.
So, but for off page and for doing SEO, Reddit is the best thing, and you will be getting upvotes also. Same like in Quora. So, have you ever used Quora?
Yeah, Quora
Yes,
we
ma'am.
read sometimes.
We read, right? So
Question and
for
answers.
Quora also, you can have a good, Quora is also one of the off-page optimization. Okay, that comes under forum checking. What happens with the Quora? You will be asking some questions. You can able to answer for few
Yeah.
questions, right? So what benefit you will get when you question something? So if you question something, you will be getting some answers. So that you will be getting some benefit. What is the reason behind the you are answering some questions? So what benefit you will get? So that you can make people to redirect to your website also while answering the Quora also. I'll show you anyhow. So this is how guys this social bookmarking will works out. You just create an account. So we have already an account, right? That is the reason I haven't created. So you know how to create an account, right?
Ma'am, I
Just to
have a
give.
small doubt, ma'am. Like
Mhm.
sometimes we hear that visit our subreddit. What is it subreddit related to Reddit, ma'am?
Sorry, what? Where it is?
This subreddit.
Where?
No, not here, ma'am.
Uh
Sometimes
huh.
we hear about it, no, ma'am, in some blogs and all, that you can visit my subreddit for more information and all. So
So it is a Reddit profile only. Their Reddit profile.
okay,
Now here there is a one tool called a TubeBuddy. Okay, TubeBuddy is the best tool used for a YouTube analytics.
okay,
When you use that Chrome extension, it will show you that how exactly the channel is working, and it will show you where exactly your video link has been shared. There it
okay,
shows you that how many likes you got in Facebook, how many likes you got in Twitter, and how many upvotes you got in Reddit. Okay, so
okay.
by this we came to know that how important the Reddit is. So Google is always trying to push up the websites on top who is actively performing social medias as well. The best thing you can do is follow the Reddit. Reddit is the best thing. So
Okay.
today only open a Reddit platform and submit your website. Okay. Right, so you can make people to redirect to your Reddit profile as well. Right.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Mhm.
Now, how it became a bookmark? How, like, I
Now I
didn't get
have
it.
stored, right? I have stored. Now whenever you want, you can directly see it here. Whenever people comes here, people can directly see my URL. People can directly see my content over here. They no need to search for any best ways to do on page and all. Directly my website has been stored in this slash dot. That is
Okay.
what simply bookmarking. Okay. Okay, the next thing is the forum submissions. So forum submissions is same like a Quora marketing only. Same, we can answer for any questions. We can ask any question. So whatever you want, you can do it. Like, you can discuss. Forum submissions means simply a discussion platform. So you can discuss on any kind of topic over there. Okay. So now what I will do, if Sumit asks me some question in that forum submission, so what I will do, I'll try to answer for his question, as well as if you wants to know more about this, so you can redirect to my website. So by the way, along with my discussion, I'm just sending the customers to my website. This is called forum submission, a discussion platform. Let us see how we can do this, the forum submission. Okay, forum submissions. The top 300 plus high TA and PF forum submission sites list 2020. What is this forum submissions and importance of doing these forum submissions and how to do? Then I have listed out few submissions again. Forums, cyclingforums.com. No, many things are there. Let me take this SEO forum link assistant.com. Okay, so SEO and internet marketing forum. Tell me, is this relevant for my website again?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, yeah.
That's the
Marketing.
reason I have, yeah, that's the reason I have taken. So first of all, what you have to do, okay, so here there are many discussions going on. General SEO discussion. Okay, let me click this. See, now it will show you how many topics are under this SEO discussion. Okay, so here are few topics. Three not 3022 topics. Okay, so why is an anchor text important to SEO? What is SCRP? Purchasing of SEO services. Can you see what is SCRP? The question is there. Okay,
Mm,
let me try to click this. Okay, what is SCRP? Now, can I add a replay now?
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
I can add a replay here. Okay, so here it is asking you to log in first of all. Okay, so if you have an already account
Mm,
in this website, you can just log in. Let me register it. I agree. Anti-spam. Are you a spammer? No. Robot. Okay, so your account has been created. However, this board requires account activation and account. So we need to activate our account. So one activation link they have sent to your email address, just activate it. So have you faced these kinds of things while doing
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
every
Yeah.
time? Rakesh, you have done only with the one website you have faced.
No, not this. Matlab, different websites will do, no? Like to activate. I'm just talking about that.
Okay, see here, I received an activation mail. Um, right. Please visit the following. There it is. Please visit the following link in order to activate your account. Okay, so done. Your account has now been activated. Thank you for registering. So now let's go back to the home page and again start discussing, and you can add some new topics again. Okay, so let me get to this general SEO discussion. Okay, what is an SCRP? Let me try to answer, reply for this query.
KP123.
Okay, see here again, you can write some subject and then you can add a reply. SCRP. Tell me, what is SCRP?
Search
Search engine results
search
page.
engine.
Results page.
It is a
Through this, like definitely people will visit to the website, right?
yes, yes.
Um,
Why? Because they will read the comment, they will read the replies, right?
yeah. So it will directly go to their mail, or
Mail. Why mail? I
No
can
website.
directly give my website URL, right?
no. I'm asking that the person who wrote the question, like
Right.
what is
Why mail? He
SCRP?
will be now I'll be having my account, right, in this SEO forum linkassistant.com. I created a one account. So in that account, whatever the queries I have posted, that will be there. So you can directly see the replies over there. Getting my point?
No, ma'am.
So he
No.
can see the replies for his question directly under his question. I'll show you.
Yeah. So whenever we write under his question, like
Mm.
we are clearing his doubt. So
Mm.
will he get any notification there?
Yes,
Means
he will
once
get
we
a
reply.
notification. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Depends on.
that I
Now I
was
have
asking.
created one account. I have created an account. There it was asking me that do you want some notification when someone reply to your questions? If you check out that
Yeah.
option, you
Yeah.
will receive notifications.
Okay. So that's why,
This
like,
notification
so.
will come our email address.
You check out that option.
Hmm.
Depends on the. Font what I'm trying to write here. What I'm writing here. It shows YouTube videos, structure snippet list, people who ask image box. What are these?
Depends on keyword.
Yes, yes. The structure of SCRP. Don't you know the structure? Structure of
Depend.
SCRP. Tell me
Depends
the
on.
structure. Depends on the user's queries, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm. Okay, so now for this keyword, I would like to make a clickable text. How I can make
Clickable. Yeah. Yeah. We have a URL.
option. So use it. So let me go with this. Let me try to preview. Right, this is, can you see again clickable text? So where it will redirect? Let me click this. Where it is redirecting to? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
To this page only.
So why?
Because
Why? Simply, right? We just we didn't give any URL. Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to give an URL again. So tell me. Oh, URL. Which URL I have to give now? Let me give this. This equals only. Okay. Right, Chila? You're not allowed to post your Acha. They are not allowing us to post URL. See here.
Mm.
There is our post. No problem.
Oh, only they are just querying their answers. That's it.
Yes,
They're not
yes.
redirecting.
Yeah. So now I have added a replay, right? So someone
Hmm.
can easily see our profile. They can see our email address. So whenever you want, you can edit it. You can delete it as well. This is our profile. Okay.
Ma'am,
So now in
so we
such a
can
way, you
just
can.
write our website ID, right? Instead of giving mail also, like instead of giving URL, we can
Okay,
also just write
yes.
reach out for us
So first of
for
all,
online digital.
now create your profile very attractively. Okay, so now we already have an account, right? Just go there and then create your profile. So have some DP and all. Then you can automatically redirect. Okay, right now if you want to bookmark any topic, you can just simply bookmark it. If you want to add some questions, you can just add it by clicking on new
with
topic.
one email account, we can give more info, answer. I mean, SEO or others.
Sorry,
Only
for
using yes, only
you
using
can
one
go
email.
ahead. You can go ahead, no problem. Okay, what? Okay, now what I will do? What are the best ways to do?
Let's see online.
Okay, so I'll write a question. Do I need to write an answer again?
No, no, ma'am.
Not required, right? Why? Because it is a discussion
Question.
platform, so
Yeah.
that people can answer for my questions. And all.
Hmm. You cannot make
Not
the
After
as soon as oh.
you cannot make another post so soon after your last your message contains too few characters. Okay, do I need to wait some time?
Hmm.
Okay, so in such a way, you can just go ahead and create a new topics, and this is the one forum submission I have taken. So go just you can use the Quora also. Quora is the best forum submission platform where you can ask some questions, you can give answers for questions. Let me try to do with the Quora as well once.
Ma'am, we did for the last thing, no? So what is that D and PA for that, ma'am? That website?
So it might have already good D and D, good D and PA. I haven't checked. Okay, so this is what the Quora.com looks like. So the interface you might have already known. Now, if I want to answer for any question, or else if you want to add any question, you can just add it here. Let me just write. So here there is a question, there is an answer. What are core web vitals reports in Google Search Console? So I just want to write an answer for this question. Just click on this answer and you can start writing it. Okay, tell me, what are the few core web vitals we have?
Core Web Vitals. Loading page.
FID.
Yes.
FID and then
Um,
core web vitals or the
Someone is turning their pages.
Yeah, see and tell me at least.
Like it's for the speed. Mm, on mobile, Windows.
Tell me, what are the three core web vitals? Turn pages and tell me. L?
LCP,
LCP,
Okay,
FID.
what is LCP?
So, art
largest
contentful, paint contentful.
FID, what is meant by FID?
first input delay.
First input?
Delay.
Next.
Uh,
CLS,
yes, cumulative
layout shift.
What is these three things? So shows
Checking
you
about
that.
the
loading page less than 2.5.
5 seconds.
Interactivity. Visual. Okay. Stability.
Okay, so now I just tried writing answer. Okay. If you want to do your performance, okay, what I will do here? I'll give a link back to this how to do SEO. Okay. So am I getting a benefit or not now?
How to do? How to?
Oh, what to do? Oh, this is a clickable text. So whoever wants the answer for this question, definitely they will read my answer, and if they want to know more about SEO, they will be clicking on this URL, and I'll be getting a backlink. This is a Quora is the best and best off-page optimization you can do it for getting a better backlink. Submit.
Yeah, ma'am.
So first of all have a good Quora profile. Okay, so have a good bio, like write something about yourself and insert your website URL. Okay, so in such a way you can do this forum submissions as well. This is how we can do it. The next thing is the article submission. So by seeing the name implies only, you'll come to know what is this article submissions. In directory submission, I submitted my website. In forum submissions also, I submitted my website. So it is what called simply by submitting an article, you will redirect. So you will mention your website URL and you will redirect to your website. This is what simply I am going to submit my article in a some article submission websites which are relevant, so that I'll be getting a backlinks. All right, now let us see. So before doing this article submission sites, get ready with a very genuine article. Okay, don't copy and paste it from your own website. Let us see how we can do this again. Tell me what I have to search for.
Article.
Article submission.
Article submissions. Okay, so here it is. Importance of article submissions and steps. So here the list of article submissions. You can just go through this all article submission sites and you can insert your article. Let me just go with the articlebiz.com. Okay. Great. So I have option called submit an article. Can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me click this. And author name. So name of the author. Then email address. Article title. So what can be my title? Title again.
See,
Why always this on page SEO? Can you tell me? So again, you have to choose a category, under which category your website comes. Entertainment, cars, insurance, home business, management, marketing and advertisement, blogging, internet, networking, search engine optimization. Will this comes under my website? Those
Yes, ma'am.
categories? Okay. Then article body. So now you need to write an article again. Okay. So instead of writing directly here, get ready with an article. Okay. So if you're not good at writing a huge, big content, then recruit one content writer and tell him to write a blog on this, and you just copy that content and paste it here. Which appears in SERP, so that it is. Tell me, guys. You can help me out, right? That it is very attractive. Then only your result. Research to know exactly your writings. Try to things. Oh, version of then next, optimize images and permalinks, internal links. Next, the I just tried writing some here. Next, resource box. So here it is asking me that include a short bio about yourself. So here, let me have a one URL.
But in that box, something is written like we cannot include our URL something.
Saying, okay, let me see
Yeah, just below where you were writing.
where it is.
Yeah, see.
Please do not include your website URL in the. If you have URLs to include, you may include in them, them in the resource box. So nice, nice. Okay.
So we need to check whether we can put or not.
Yes, yes.
Even if we also do on the same topics, right, ma'am?
Sivu. Yes.
We also do on same topics, right? Like on page SEO or like digital marketing. So which are the topics we know will guide all those to your page only, right?
Okay, right. So here I can give a. Okay, fine, no problem. This is good. Challenge question 4 minus 2, 2. So notify me when user comment is posted or for this article. So if you want to notify, like, for to your email address, then you can just check out this, or else I accept it. Continue. Okay, please review your article submission for completeness. So this is how it appears. Fine. So this is what my link. Okay, let me submit for review. Your article has been submitted. List below or submitted article over the last 20 days. So now we require your email address to be verified. Please check your email. So you just now need to check your Gmail to verify it simply. So now tell me, you might have got some clarity about this off page, right? So wherever we go, we are trying to submit our website URL. That's it. So our ultimate goal is to submit our URL
URLs, yeah.
where we can get some traffic and backlinks to our site.